Hey guys, here's another example of why working with a big bank, especially one that's not located in the same state as you, is a bad idea. So I get a message from a past client asking me to review his brother's refinance documentation. He wants me to take a second look more specifically at the loan fees. It's pretty standard, I give second opinions all the time, but this one specific scenario was interesting. He didn't know if the lender was charging enough. Yeah, you heard that right.
Charging enough.
I was a bit shocked at the request, but I'm not one to shy away, so I obliged. And this is what I got. Guys, this isn't worth the paper it was printed on. Here's why. You see this entire side of the section? Don't worry, if you're having trouble seeing it, it's not you. It's only because there's no fees with the exception of one fee. In case you're wondering, it's a fee to reduce the interest rate. Mind you, a fee that was never discussed by the lender, and a fee that when I brought it up to the borrower, he was extremely surprised about. And that's the problem. There should be more fees in this section. Quite a few, actually. As a matter of fact, fees that add up to a substantial difference when you compare them to the nonsense that the client was given. What would have happened if this client would have jumped on that offer, which sounded too good to be true? Well, his hopes would have been deflated because these fees would have shown up at some point in the loan process. On top of that, he lost complete trust in the loan officer because there was never any discussion about the discount points being charged to lower the interest rate. So if the veteran would have went to the big bank and decided that he wanted to refinance with them, he would have wasted time and energy in the long run. Can you imagine starting and going through the refinance process, excited that you're going to save hundreds of dollars a month, ecstatic that your fees are rock bottom compared to what you thought other lenders were charging, only to find out those fees were completely incorrect and now you're going to have to pay thousands more? After some explanation of how the fees work and why they get charged and still showing that they can save hundreds of dollars a month, the client decided to refinance, only not with the big bank. You see, working with a local specialist ensures that you're working with someone who understands the market. This big bank didn't understand that there's fees that will be charged because our market charges fees that other markets don't, even for refinance transactions, which is an important distinction and which is why the client was wary in the beginning about the fees that were being charged. Guys, it's Will Caban, the mortgage man. If you or if anybody you know has any mortgage needs, I'm more than happy to speak to them. Please feel free to reach out to me directly. You can always contact me at 718-310-8825, or you can visit my website at mortgagemancaban.com. Take care.